Good morning. It's Thursday. Yes, buddy?
I've been having these.
Yeah, that's fine.
I only have.
We need to find a good place to put all these backpacks, though, because we're not going to want to trip over them all day long. So, we need to think about that. We are packing up.
Oh.
Go get dressed. Okay. We are packing up for a little weekend away. Jason's uncle has a cabin, and we are going to stay there this weekend. Actually, on Saturday, the Trail Life Troop is all coming to do a service project day there. So some of those people will be camping there Friday night. We are planning to stay the whole weekend in the cabin because no tent camping happening for this pregnant lady. I want to sleep in a bed. So anyway, we're getting packed up this morning. Pepper's just really needing some love this morning. He's like in my face. Here, does James want to pet you?
I'll pet him.
Oh, okay. We are packing, and we're going to do just a little bit of schoolwork. We've had a very productive week and gotten a lot done. So we're going to do a little more today. And then I need to take a survey of all the food that is in the house and in my extra refrigerator and freezer, because we had been given some food and just accumulated a lot of random stuff the past few weeks. You need your back scratched? So I'm feeling kind of lost as to what we have, and it's the end of the month, and I'm hoping that we won't really need to do much grocery shopping in July. I'm hoping to kind of clean out some of the stuff we've been given. So that is on my agenda this afternoon. Well, there's lots of different pages, buddy. Mama will help you read it.
Yeah, you're there.
So we are introducing for the first time the nature journals that I have scoured the internet, used bookstores and Amazon to find these because they're not in print anymore. You excited? This is part of our science study this year.
Scavenger hunt. A scavenger hunt. Hey, Mom, we can do this right now.
Yeah, I thought the woodland scavenger hunt would be a fun one to do today. But
Something
in these
older
books,
than yourself. Oh, I know.
there's lots of there's
What
lots
do you
of different
check it? What do you do? Check
pages here. Let me just go through this real quick. There's sections on the forest, the meadow.
Which page are you on?
She was on 20.
First.
20.
20?
There's a seed scavenger hunt.
Oh, I'm gonna write date. Date.
Look at this frog life cycle, Bella.
What page do you? What number?
She was on 20. She was on page 20.
No, it's the first
Or
page.
21. 20.
21.
There is a section in here
21.
that's all about the seashore. And our fun news that I don't think I've shared with you yet is that we get to go to North Carolina next month. So, we're going to be partially camping.
Tomorrow we're going to the
Yeah, tomorrow we're going to cabin. We're going to be partially camping, partially in a hotel because Jason is going to a financial advising conference in North Carolina. So we're going to tag along. Super exciting. So all of the seashore pages we will complete in North Carolina.
Can I write the date today?
You excited?
Mama, can I do these?
Yeah, go ahead, sharpen those up. All right, Jeremiah we have his book. We're going out to join the kids and find some things on our list.
I see now. Baby, let me see.
A baby toad.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let me see.
Let's see what she found.
Can I see? Toad.
They're all over.
Oh, wow.
I just saw one earlier. Yes, grab it.
Give me it. I get it.
Ooh, that was a very...
It's a dark colored one.
Okay.
That's definitely younger.
We're going to be this big.
Frog,
That's
Mom.
younger. That's
Frog.
younger than you. Write down younger than you.
Oh, that's
frog.
true. That's much younger
That's what
than
I
you.
did. Probably a
Good.
Yeah. They have a great sound this morning, don't they?
I found it.
Do you see the bird?
Oh! Does it say find something like brown or something like? We got a pine cone.
Pine cone is brown. That's good. Okay, we're coming. Beautiful weather this morning for hiking around.
No, we're not hiking around. No, that's gonna be great.
I'm going to the kids' play area under the pine tree.
Here's a pine tree.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And Mom, you can sit up there.
Okay.
Do you want to see? What is it? Today's date. What's today's date?
It's June 27th.
Elsie said it.
Or you can write 6/27.
It's a date. What is this? It's a date.
What is
It's a
this? Okay,
crumple
I'm gonna look
date.
really
It's
closely.
a crumple date.
I'm not sure what that is, buddy.
It counts.
But we don't know what it is, so that's a little tricky.
Something. Write something that we don't know what it is. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spiders have 8 legs.
What did you draw? Let me see.
Spiders have 8 legs. 8, 8. I counted.
Oh, yeah, very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is that?
Very good. Where's your little mouse that you drew? That was so cute.
4 and 79. No.
You want to show us officially? Oh, what a great mouse.
Double buddies, head first, jump off, and slide down.
You guys are crazy. They didn't have a water slide,
Look what we're doing. Sit down.
so they invented this
What, Mom?
off the back of the mule.
Guess what, Mom?
That's not a water slide. I like how you even have life jackets for like a 2.5-foot pool.
Mom, guess what? I slid right here and right here. Are you ready? Go!
Yeah, careful. Hang on right here. No, you'll tell me. Hold on my shoulders.
You guys are crazy. How did you even think of this?
Get on me. It's a water jump.
Folks, everyone should have a mule. Okay, slide up. Hang on.
Back up. Oh, sorry.
Whoops!
Mom,
Got Lydia wet.
Mom!
What do you think about this? You're just gonna watch? You know what? I think we should put a tiny little bucket of water for him so that he can
Hi, Sugar. Can we kiss you?
cool off. Yay! Now James gets to play with water. That's fun. I'm glad you guys found those plugs.
Yeah, we were left out because we left
Oh,
the float on
Pepper.
our back.
He's gonna drink the water down.
Pepper, we like wearing life jackets. It's fun.
There we go. I know, it is fun. We just have to make sure that we have them all in a pile before we leave for the cabin tomorrow, okay? It is 7 o'clock. We had a very full day. Did a lot of things to get ready for leaving tomorrow morning. And now they are having fun with sleeping bags. Is James crawling on you? You can put that dog food away, sis.
My clothes. And your grandma.
I'm gonna finish feeding these kids and getting everybody showered and jammied and who needs it. They played in the pool a lot today. I consider that like a bath, so I think we'll be good enough. And then we'll check back in with you in the morning and we'll bring you along on our weekend away so you can join the fun.